Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Acko Health Insurance, a platform that offers medical insurance online. I'll walk you through their offerings, key features, and everything you need to know to decide if it is the right for you. So, Acko provides multiple health insurance plans, including coverage for individuals, families, senior citizens, and critical illness. They promise simple, easy to understand policies that offer robust protection against medical expenses. Let's go through the basics. One of Echo's standout features is that they offer 100% room rent coverage, no deductions during claims, and access to over 14,300 cashless hospitals. So you won't have to worry about paying out of your pocket during emergencies. Plus, there is no waiting period for pre existing conditions after a certain time, which is a big win. And now comparing Echo to traditional health insurance, like they offer several advantages like no copay, no room rent limits, and typically lower premiums. This is because Echo operates primarily online, cutting down on administrative costs and passing those savings on to you. They have a range of customizable plans, so, so whether you need coverage for yourself, your family, or even just critical illness, you'll find something suitable. Plus, they offer add-ons like personal accident coverage for extra peace of mind. And customer feedback on Echo is quite positive as well. They have an average rating of 4.6 out of 5, with users praising the seamless claims process and easy-to-use platform. Plus, they are known for transparent policies with no hidden clauses. Another benefit is the tax savings. So, this one here. Eco health insurance policies are eligible for deduction under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. So you could save up to 75,000 rupees on taxes. To sum up, Eco Health Insurance is a great option for those looking for an affordable, flexible, and straightforward health insurance plan. If you are looking to secure your health with zero hassle, Eco is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick reviews like this one.